What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. If you guys can't tell by the title of this video, we're changing up the Mustang. We're finally doing something to it, and it's been something that's been bothering me for a while. And honestly, it's this monster truck fitment. Besides the wheels, it's the fitment for me. So we're gonna change that. How are we gonna change that? I'll show you right now. Don't mind my trunk area. I need to clean this out. I know it's disgusting. Just came back from a little road trip and I used a lot of towels. So this all has to get cleared up. It's these Eibach Sportline lowering springs. We finally got them. Well, I got them a while back, to be honest with you guys. I got them for my birthday. I just haven't been able to put them on because the weather has been horrible. And on top of that, I couldn't drive my car. I've been busy with work and just haven't had the time. So, without further ado, we're gonna do that now. We're gonna actually do that right now, this second, so we can probably hop in the car. But I do have a feeling that I'm gonna need a spacer, because you kind of see that my wheels are already tucking right now as is, especially in the front. I got like some crazy camber for some reason in the front. I'm probably gonna need an alignment. I'm definitely gonna need an alignment, so we're gonna try to do that too. And yeah, so let's head over there now. Alright guys, so we just finished getting them on. This is actually my first time even seeing. I'm looking at it and I see them, and they look amazing so far. Let me know what you guys think. To me, this looks beautiful. Definitely need like a spacer. They're definitely a little bit cambered, but this thing looks nice, bro. I can't lie, and I don't even think they're settled yet. I think it takes a few days for them to actually settle, but I'm definitely gonna need to put a spacer and probably get an alignment, because there is some camber, definitely. All right, let me know what you guys think. Let's hop in and see how they feel. She's looking good with the lowering springs, but definitely gonna need to get an alignment because there's a lot of camber, especially in the back wheel and in the front wheel. I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera. And definitely need to get like at least a 10 to 15 mil spacer to bring these wheels out so they can sit flush. Looks good though. Drove it around a little bit. Doesn't feel bad at all. Let's get some more driving in actually. Put in my favorite mode. GPS connected. Now I know they still have to settle too. Don't get me wrong, but they feel pretty nice. You guys have any recommendations for a perfect? Because these at the end of the day, these are regular stock 20-inch wheels, so I'm not surprised. Plus these tires are really skinny, so that's why they're not sitting as flush as they could be. But if you guys have any recommendations of what I should do, let me know down in the comments below. I mean, either way, I want to change these wheels at some point, and I'm gonna get like 19s, and I want to get wider tires. Probably gonna do like 295 in the rear, or maybe a 305 if possible. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see when the time comes. It's taking this day by day, but for now, I'm gonna rock the stocks with the lowered suspension. I definitely gotta order some lowering springs. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Again, what company, what size, if you guys have done the same before. And let me know what looks good. I want a flush finish with the fender. I don't want it to have too much poke. I just want it to sit perfectly. But the car feels pretty good with the springs. I honestly really like them. They don't feel too harsh or too aggressive. Like, I feel like honestly the car feels pretty planted. I like it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. for more content. I do post some more activity on there. And see you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.